Hello, my name is Linient Chege. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming and becoming part of this family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for choosing this channel as your choice. Please remember to like and subscribe to my content. Now, I have applied some turmeric and lemon on my face. So I'm just waiting for it to dry up for about 20 minutes, then I'll be able to rinse it off. I have rinsed off the turmeric from my face. As you can see, I hope you can see how I am looking. This is the second day I've been applying turmeric and lemon. I mix with lemon, then apply it on my face and rinse off after 20 minutes. So 2 days and I see how my skin is looking. I am loving it. I have new hair. I braided my hair because yes, I'm growing my hair once again, and I'm feeling good about it. It's been ages since I braided my hair. It's been a long time, many years. I don't even know how many years it is. And when I was actually going to the salon, I was fearing because my scalp has become very sensitive. I was really fearing. So yeah, I'm here. This is a week old. I did not record or shoot the day I was at the salon because it was that week that we experienced blackouts here in Kenya. They were crazy blackouts. Blackouts. So yeah, just wanted to show you and let you know that I have new hair and I'm braiding my hair, and I think I'll be doing braids from now on for some time. Yeah. So this is a few days later, and if there's anything that is really bothering me is how these curtains look like. I honestly don't like how my curtains look like. I have been using this curtain box for a long time, and I'm not impressed. This is how I tie my curtain, and it brings a lot of darkness instead of light into my house. I bought curtains a while ago, like actually in the month of May. So the fundi has just called me and he's on his way. I want to install the brackets because I'm installing rods, the curtain rods today, plus the brackets. And here he is. He's already arrived. He's just removing his tools to start his job. I really can't wait to see how it will look. I'm sure it will look better than it is. So he's taking the measurements here, and from where the wall at the window ends, outside, we are measuring about 8 to 10 inches so that the brackets can leave some space on either side. So, and we are going with, for my rods, we are going with 8 inches. That's what we have decided instead of 10. So he's taking measurements for all the windows. I have 3 windows in this house. And then after that, he will go on and start drilling. Yeah. And note that I have not removed my curtain boxes. And it is the reason being, I have not bought curtains. I have the shears, but I have not gotten the curtains yet. So I'm yet to decide whether I will remove them later when I get the curtains, or maybe I will stay with the shears and also the curtain boxes on so that they can be holding the curtains meanwhile as I sort myself. This is a project that I'm doing slowly by slowly. I really want this house to look better than it is, so that when I'm in here, because most of the time I'm just in the house, I can feel better. Yeah, I am sure it is going to have a very good look at the end of it all. I am doing this on a budget, and just slowly by slowly, no pressure at all. I am buying things slowly by slowly. I bought these things and just been keeping them in the house. And then when I'm ready, I just invite a fundi, and when I can do it, whatever I can do, I do it for myself, so that I can also save on some coins. Things are very tight. So whenever I can do something for myself, I will not invite a fundi to do it. That is what I've just decided in the makeover of the whole house. Please note, my curtains are not looking the way you are seeing them. As short as they are, I had gotten curtains that were long enough to fit and to cover the curtains very well up to down there. But when I came with them, they were very bulky for those curtain boxes, and I just had to cut them into half so that they can, they can be accommodated by the curtain boxes. They were too bulky and my boxes were coming down. So I had to take them to a fundi at that time because I didn't know what to do and I didn't have more money to do whatever I needed to do extra at that time, so that they can be cut into half. The other thing that I did is that I did not buy curtain rods per se. I opted for chrome pipes because the comparison in the prices is quite huge, and chrome pipes also can serve the purpose of holding the curtains. So I went for chrome pipes instead. That is what you're going to see as installing here. Chrome pipes are long, they're sold in full, they do not cut. So a piece goes for 400 shillings, that is for 3/4 inch, and 1 inch goes for 450. So you can imagine one chrome pipe will give you two rods, as in it will hold a shear and the other piece will hold the curtain. So you can imagine, instead of buying the curtain rods, which are more expensive, and yet when I'm moving out of this house, I'll not move out with them. Yeah. So here the fundi was trying to tighten the center bolt on the brackets. I installed the brackets very high up because I wanted the walls to look higher.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.